Developing effective review checklists and feedback mechanisms. The scaffolding of quality. Welcome to Lecture 11.2. A robust multi-stage review process is foundational, but its effectiveness hinges on the tools and mechanisms you use to guide reviewers and capture their insights. Without structure, reviews can become subjective and inconsistent. This lesson focuses on developing effective review checklists and feedback mechanisms to ensure your reviews are thorough, focused, and lead to continuous improvement. The power of structured review. Without clear guidance and a structured approach, proposal reviews can become subjective, inconsistent, and ultimately less impactful. Effective review checklists and feedback mechanisms provide the necessary structure and clarity to ensure that reviews are thorough, focused, and contribute to tangible enhancements in proposal quality. Why structured review is crucial. Consistency and objectivity. Structured checklists act as cognitive aids, ensuring reviewers consistently address key evaluation criteria and critical success factors, rather than focusing on personal preferences. Clarity and actionability. Vague or unstructured feedback is difficult to implement. A structured process ensures feedback is specific and actionable, making it easier for the bid team to make meaningful improvements. Continuous improvement. By capturing structured feedback and lessons learned, you create a valuable knowledge base that can be used to continuously refine your proposal development capabilities and increase win probability. The Checklist Manifesto. As Atul Gawande highlights in The Checklist Manifesto, good checklists are precise and efficient. They don't try to spell out everything, but instead provide reminders of only the most critical and important steps, the ones that even highly skilled professionals can miss. This principle directly applies to proposal reviews, where a well-designed checklist can act as a critical safeguard against errors and omissions. Developing effective review checklists, a framework. Creating a checklist requires a systematic approach. You should define the purpose of each checklist, tailor the focus for each review stage. SME, commercial, executive. For example, the SME checklist focuses on technical accuracy, while the commercial checklist focuses on profitability. Identify key evaluation criteria, analyze the RFP, and incorporate your key win themes and value propositions into the checklists. Structure the checklist logically. Group related items together under clear categories to improve organization and ease of use. Tailor checklists to specific bids. While standard checklists are beneficial, always adapt them to the specific requirements of each individual RFP. Pilot, test, and refine. Solicit feedback from reviewers to improve the clarity and effectiveness of the checklists. Fostering constructive dialogue. Feedback mechanisms. Structured feedback mechanisms encourage constructive dialogue and facilitate the implementation of necessary improvements. Key elements include structured feedback forms. Provide reviewers with forms that prompt for specific comments, justifications, and actionable recommendations. Focus on clarity and specificity. Encourage reviewers to provide clear, specific feedback directly related to the proposal content. Constructive tone. Emphasize the importance of a professional and constructive tone, focusing on how the proposal can be improved. Feedback consolidation and synthesis. Establish a process for consolidating feedback from multiple reviewers into a clear and actionable set of recommendations for the bid team. Track feedback implementation. Implement a system for tracking how feedback is addressed and incorporated into the revised proposal. Key takeaways. A culture of continuous improvement. Developing effective checklists and feedback mechanisms is paramount to maximizing the value of your multi-stage review process. Well-designed checklists ensure thorough evaluations, while structured and actionable feedback empowers your bid team to implement meaningful improvements. By embracing this framework, you can cultivate a culture of quality within your bid management function, leading to higher win rates and sustained success.